Yeah.
Cold.
Yeah.
Cold.
Yeah.
Cold.
Think you wanna with me? Wanna fuck with a
I
G?
got 'em,
I make a
Keezy.
kill in the E, cause this shit is bigger than me. That killer instinct is well embedded into me. I scan the vicinity and label all y'all enemies. Bronze, he a vicious G. More arms than centipedes.
Yeah.
Got more weight than Biggie Fame. Shot with him like Krispy Kreme. Really into bigger things like real estate and foreign cheese. Swiss bank accounts holding large amounts for the team. Pools inside the crib, jewels and the fly shit. But you niggas tryna get rich to bag the baddest bitch. This is why he bound to rise and never fall like the mole. He tryna build a mansion for the crew with a city view. Pussies, he don't pity you. He holding down the fort. And he don't play sports, but he'll shoot up the court. You like Bootsy, a little too little. Probably fold up if the 22 hit you. Keezy told him if a nigga wanna fuck with you, leave his face looking like he caught a Scud missile. Hating ass niggas only make his blood sizzle, and he'll make you bounce quick like a ball when it's dribble. This is bigger than me, now I ride for mine. And if I gotta take your life, then guaranteed it's mine.
This is bigger than me. 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 Think you wanna with me? Wanna fuck with a G? I make a kill in the E, cause this shit is bigger than me.
Birth was given, God sent me on a mission. Me against the world, so I'm always tripping. I am what I come from, how can I forget it? A G through and through, get lost to get with it. It's Bronze, little homie, I done beat on my charges. My first name, robbery. Middle name, Lawson. Last name, Martin. A nasty mofo, so I beg your pardon. But you don't wanna start shit. Was always a loner, always a soldier. Cold on the inside, heart like a boulder. Slick as a fox, strong as an ox. Mean as a cobra, worse when I'm sober. Live life fast like I ain't trying to get older. A most hated G and I never switch over. Haters like pills, they meant to get popped and throwed in the trash like a cigarette box. This is bigger than me, yeah, this is bigger than me. They think they iller than me, but they look like dinner to me. Cause they be talking about the shit, but they ain't been in the streets. I'm on top like a yacht till you fish in the sea. How they one of the hardest and they ain't running with marksmen. They ain't doing no sparking, all they doing is barking. I'm insane, retaliate with fireworks for nonsense. Born without a conscience, you know I wanna run with my team of warriors. And if so, saddle up, meet us at the battlefront. Half of y'all just characters, guaranteed to splatter ya. Let the gat rat at ya, flip you like a spatula. Your spine showing out the back of ya. They acting up, yakking tough, acting like they packing stuff. I'm massing up and tagging ya, nail you like a calendar. Y'all not in my caliber, and ain't no team as wild as us. I'm taking all the challenges that come within the mile of us. I'm on my Dean, but not for me. For Tyrese and for Naeem, J Bonds, Rip G, L Keys, and the team. 973, man, I got it on my back, and I'm a Silk City Mac, and I'ma leave it at that.
This is bigger than me. 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 Think you wanna with me? Wanna fuck with a G? I'll make a kill in the E, cause this shit is bigger than me.